Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Fast Cabling. Today in this video, we're diving deep into a game changer for enterprise connectivity, the 10G fiber. And we're here to show you how to future-proof your network. So in modern enterprise, high-speed and reliable connectivity isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. From seamless collaboration to real-time data access, the demands on our networks are greater than ever. So to illustrate this, let's explore a case study of a cooperation, a medium-sized enterprise specializing in software development. And also, if you're looking to upgrade your network but not sure where to start, we're offering free tech consultation to help you design the perfect setup for your needs. Just send us your questions through the link down in the description box below, and our team of experts will get back to you as soon as possible. So the ABC Cooperation has multiple departments with high data transfer needs, including development, design, and marketing. They face frequent network slowdowns during peak hours, high latency affecting real-time collaboration tools, and difficulty managing network traffic due to a mix of old and new devices. So sounds familiar? And our solution is a 10G point-to-point fiber network. And we're going to delve into how enhancing connectivity with 10G fiber can transform office backbone and high-density areas. So by using 10G fiber, ABC Cooperations can expect improved performance, reduced latency, and future-proofing their network. So next, let's break down the components of this setup. So first, let's talk about the router. Now this is the heart of our network, managing data traffic and connecting to the internet. So a high-performance router can ensure efficient data handling. And next we have two switches. This one right here is our 24-port fiber managed switch with 10G uplink. And next we have our 2.5G fiber switch with 10G uplink as well. Now this 24-port fiber managed switch features gigabit uplink speed over fiber or Ethernet wiring. And easy installation and high security give us ease of management and investment protection for evolving business need. And the 8-port 2.5G PoE++ switch with 10G uplink provide a cost-effective solution to increase your network's throughput and provide up to 90 watts of power for 2.5G devices. So these switches offer robust features like high port density and the ability to handle large data volume efficiently. And to connect our switches, we'll need to use the BD SFP Plus module. Now these modules are significant because they reduce fiber usage by allowing bidirectional communication on a single fiber string. And for the cabling, the single-mode LC fiber optic cable are ideal. They offer long-distance data transmission with minimal signal loss, making them perfect for our setup. And finally, let's not forget about 2.5G devices, such as our 2.5G wireless access point and 2.5G computers, which will greatly benefit from this enhanced network. So now let's move on to our 10G point-to-point installation process. So we start by setting up our router. Ensure it's properly connected to your internet source. And I'm going to use an Ethernet cable to connect it with our 24-port SFP switch. Plug it into its RJ45 port. And here we have our BD SFP Plus module. Make sure they're securely connected to the switch. So let's slide it in. Today we're using this 4-string pre-made fiber optic cable. It's using LC connector and it's single mode. And we don't have to worry about the connector since it is pre-made. And on each string it has lead on them, so you won't mess them up. So let's use string A for the connection. We're going to use the fiber optic cable to connect between our 24-port managed switch and our 8-port 2.5G switch. So we're going to do the same thing. Plug in the SFP module and pick our fiber optic cable. Remember, we used string A, so make sure the proper connection and also secure them to avoid any damage. And next, we are going to connect our 2.5G devices like our wireless access point and the computer to our 2.5G switch. So let's plug it in so it can provide both power and data to our wireless access point. And this one here is going to connect directly to our computer. So finally, we just have to test the network to ensure all the connections are working correctly. You should also check for speed, latency, and overall performance. So this setup isn't just about immediate performance, it's about scalability and redundancy. You can easily scale this network to accommodate more devices or higher speed, and building redundancy to ensure continuous operation, even if one component fails. And advanced monitoring tools and techniques can help you manage and optimize your network, and always ensuring peak performance. And don't forget to keep an eye on the future technology like Wi-Fi 7 and advanced fiber technology, which can further enhance your network. And before we wrap up, here are some tips for maximizing network performance and reliability. By using VLAN, you can help manage network traffic in high-density areas, ensuring efficient data flow, and perform regular maintenance to check on all your devices and network to catch any issues early. Also, keep your network devices firmware up to date to benefit from the latest feature and security patches. So that's a wrap on enhancing enterprise connectivity with the 10G fiber. Now, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends or family who may benefit from it. So thank you very much for joining us at FastCabling, and I'll see you in the next video.